How to replace the brake knob. First, remove the flyer from your machine. Then grab the swivel and pull while loosening the brake tension by turning the knob counterclockwise, and go until it won't come out anymore. So now you've got slack in the brake band. So now turn your miniSpinner on its side, take an Allen key, put in this hole beneath the brake knob, and unscrew it a couple of turns. Once this is unscrewed, you can pull the brake knob and the plastic bushing around it out of this hole. Unwind the brake band, grab the knot, and pull it so you have a loop. Take the loop and put the knob through it, and now, as you can see, you can disconnect the brake band. So to put the new one on is very simple. Just reverse the process. Thread the brake band through the hole in the knob, open up the loop and put it over the knob like this. Now it's secure on the knob. Now turn the knob clockwise and wind the brake band onto the knob like this. Go as close to the hole as you can, and now stick that into the hole. Be careful not to catch the brake band underneath the plastic, and press the plastic bushing into the hole. Tighten the screw again and tighten it until the brake knob has a little bit of friction on it. This is how you control how hard it is to turn the knob. Now that we have the brake tension, or the knob adjusted so that it stays put but is still easy to turn, remove your Allen wrench and let's make sure that it works right. So if I grab the swivel and release the brake tension, it comes out. When I tighten it, it goes back in. That's it.